Hmm? Huh? Hmm? Huh?
No more dark days. Introducing Hykon Green Inline UPS. Surpassing the limitations of conventional batteries. Experience the resilience of advanced battery technology. Paired with automatic voltage regulation, this UPS protects against fluctuations and prevents costly damage. The ultra-efficient design minimizes energy consumption for even greater cost savings. Due to its inbuilt lithium-ion battery, the UPS seamlessly integrates into any environment without compromising space. Invest in a smarter, greener future with Hykon Green Inline UPS. Hykon, powering the nation.